Well, here we are. Progress on the 1/48 scale Airfix Hawker Hurricane Mark I, done up as a Douglas batter aircraft that he flew with the 242 Squadron, all Canadian. So I have the tires on, the propeller on, it's painted up, glossed, decals are on, top, bottom, sides. What I have left to do, the canopy is all painted, ready to go, so I have to attach that. The gun sight also has to go on, and we also have the lights to put on, but prior to all of that being done, there'll be a flat coat put on to seal the decals and take the shine off, and she'll be ready to go. So there we go. One of my favorite pilots, and fun.